Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Overdub in Descript. So first of all you will have to download the Descript app, and if you haven't already you can start for free with the link down in the description. Now after the application has been installed, open it up. Now once you're here, click on create a new project and click on a video project. Now after that, upload that video or audio file that you want overdub. So I'm just gonna choose that video here. I'm gonna say go to desktop. Yeah, I'm gonna say let's choose this WhatsApp video here and click on open. Click on done. Now after your video has been uploaded and transcribed, select the voice you want to use in the overdub by just clicking on the speaker button right here. Now you can either use the stock voices provided by Descript, or you can even use your own cloned voice. And if you want to know how to make your own cloned voice using Descript, you can find the video on our channel and also from the link down in the description. So I'm just gonna select my clone voice right here, click on demo. Now after you have selected your voice, just select the part of the video you want overdubbed. Let's say I want this part overdubbed. I'm gonna hold up it up till here. After that, just click on this replace button and click on overdub from here and just click on overdub. Now after that part of the video has been overdubbed, you would get this notification on the right side that overdub contains gibberish or words outside your 1,000 word vocabulary limit. You can increase this limit by just upgrading your plan. So I'm just gonna play the video from, let's say, here, and just click on the play button.
Experience more than just hair care. It's not just nourishment, it's an adventure.
Picture yourself enveloped in nature. Nurturing your scalp isn't just cleansing, it's a transformational experience. Elevate your hair care routine with our Jabber Hair Care Trio.
Embrace the magic.
So as you guys heard, the part of the video that I selected was overdubbed in my voice, in my clone voice actually. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use overdub in Descript. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.